Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say, attack. Alright, my people. You know, say, honestly, me say, you know, I go lower that topic, yeah. You see me see it and me say, I go lower it. But just now, when me see that thing, I go really too far now. Me decide, say, you know what? Me have to step in it. As a blogger, as a YouTuber, my people, as a real cartel, you know what I mean? Me general, me artist, you see me? Fan, big up Shawn Star, me general, seeing where the whole Gaza works, you see me? People, footer hype, let me tell you, footer hype, you see you, brethren, footer hype, you see you, brother, Dan, is a selector, you know, music, you say, no G, but brethren, you need to humble yourself of a certain thing more while, my G, certain things, you know, to say, brother, you see me? I see you say some things sometimes and I say, you know, I say a real thing. But you say certain things where you say, brother, you know, make sense, me G. Like, you're gonna build, people, what does it gain a man to build hatred against another man? Like, try to build feud. Alright, footer. Kartel by Shawn Star, my BMW, right? You make your talk and claim, say, him should have buy him something fatter, something bigger. A bees we can skate on the toll because you said that can't skate on the toll. You make that talk there, brother. You see me? Which me even not go play your video, yeah, so. Me not play that. You see me? You make that talk there. G? Alright. When Kartel, Shawn Star, you see me? Mad Sus, and the whole of them they are prison. No for uno, you others, I said them now come out and base on certain things them now come out. Them they are road now, G. Them out now. Living life, living lavish. You can't live like how them a live. Never. You see me? Never. I doubt if you can afford the cartels. If you have a cellar in Dagos, when have pan in place there. I doubt if you can afford the Dagos. You see me? But now, you want to come this, brother. This build up hatred again. For what reason? Brother, how you that feeling yourself if you say cartel? And Shawn Star in a feud and then start war now. You see me? Kartel gone. And that you want to see them go back to prison and start war. It not go happen. It not go happen. Zine? Alright, people. Make me play Shawn Star response to footer hype. You see me? Based on the fact where footer I come talk some things about Kartel this and with Shawn Star and BM. So here what Shawn Star have to say.
Dog, hear me I say, brother. Top of the morning to all the people. All of the real people them out there, where have real people running the top of the morning. You see? So I see up a while ago and I see a couple messages where people are text me. I say, Siva, no pay nobody no man. Listen to nobody no. Listen to nobody I say. Them grudge and cartel. People, let me telling you something. You see the brother thing where you say I'm going with me and cartel. Don't be fooling them. And no music, you know. And long before music in a party. I'm tired of telling them something here, you know, bro. The things them want to see Kartel do for me, you know, for surprise, you know, bridging. Because long before music, me and Kartel have a overs, brother. You see, I'm telling you this already. The man used to go primary school. My mother used to sell a primary gate. The man used to buy things from my mother. My mother know the man. My mother know fee mother. My father know fee father. It a forward from far. You see it? Now, when you hear some big batty boy run off them mouth, some big suck pussy batty boy we girl mad. Some batty boy we girl mad, make batty boy talk about them as a heel and a Martian. Go lick out your mother, whether in the yard or abroad. Big batty boy, some of uno who did one we live a prison and dead a prison. Go suck on no mother, all of uno we a chat to no mother. Yo, me say go suck on no mother batty boy. Batty boy and batty girl.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, you hear what Shawn Star say, right? People, me talk truth. You see me? You see, if me did a Shawn Storm, you see me? Me did a Shawn Storm, me go tell her straight from my heart. Me go, whatever happen, we get incarcerated. Kartel pay millions of dollars for me back a road people. Me back a road, me have my music career, me have my name. You see me? Me are good, me keep my nice party waddy and thing, me good. You see me? Kartel no owe me nothing people. No care nothing. So you see if Kartel buy me one tire out of Corolla and say, yo, you give that my people, me appreciate it. You see me? Me a talk truth from my heart. People, talk truth. Just you know why people will feel hate about it? Just because of Shawn Storm, you know. Alright, Footer, you know where Shawn Storm have differently? You know where him drive differently? You know if Kartel forward to Shawn Storm and says, yo, which car you want? Shawn Storm say that him want. So why you for be the one to forward and judge now and say these things that and that boy makes man? Bridging, instead of you try to build hate against brothers and brothers, bro, you try to build love. You see me? Because you make your world go in a bad place and a bad way energy. And you cause all of that, you know. Because you see, when you spread them type of bad energy, them bad energy lead to different things. And anybody who has support Footer with them thing about Kartel should buy man one better car or this and that. If it was a Kartel, you know that never said that, you know. You see me? Alright. Mad Sus get a Benz. You see me? You don't say nothing about the Benz because you don't see the full body of the Benz Mad Sus get. You go see him there on the steering and him say that I first one for driving a Benz. And when the man even do that, me soon make talk out this man I move fishy and this and that I move lame and shaky. Me assure you, oh no stay you know. You just full up a pure negative energy and negative current energy. You see me? But the end of the days, bro, me tell you this. Kartel no see uno. And you see what Shawn Storm tell if you go do? Go lip up the sun. You see me? You deserve that. You deserve it, G, because you, bro, you need to rest yourself, my G. You know, see him one, bro. Did I push energy for the man them dead and live a prison, my G? Now the man them out the road and live life. You see me? Yo, bro, no wicked enough, yo. You see people, man, I like people because no too wicked done. You know too wicked. Everything the man don't have a issue with. Eh? The man come and the man starts talk about God and say what God do for him. The man tattoo God in him face. You have one heap of thing to say about the man see him with you. You see me? Brother, me a telling you say, yo, no. But the end of the day is, you can't stop the man them. Because Shawn Storm, you hear the man say, this a thing are from before Gaza, are from before music, are from picnic thing. So when I see the man them and the man say loyalty and brother, nobody believes you like a brother thing like I just look a man and meet a man yesterday and 3 trees because a man can't do this and him feel like a friend thing and bridging thing. It's a different settings. You see it? Footer, you need to relax yourself, bro. You need to build yourself, G. You need to love people, bro. You understand? You need to keep your mouth shut, me G. Go do your music. You claim say you tour, you make money, you bad selector, bro. But instead of a company media and try to build negative energy among people, bro, Kartel no see you than Shawn Storm no see you. You see me? You can't find some woman figure talk about why a man who no feel like you don't want to talk about so. Eh? Why a man who not watch? Look how much woman out there. Go watch Macadamon and Derek and go and deal with them like what them did a deal with what they go and continue deal with Macadamon and Derek, man. Lord, the Gaza Empire cause Gaza no see you, bro. Straight up facts. You see me? I'm going to close this thing, my people, with a video from Mr. Vegas. You see it? Big up yourself, Vegas, because Vegas I put film point to the thing and make you know straight up to say, yo, Footer, a dirty energy you spread. And bunny out same way. You see me? We don't rate that. And any real people, not no Gaza fans, any real people, them would never rate that. You see me? But people big up on yourself, enough love, enough respect, and remember to do like, do share, do comment. You understand? One team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. And just check out these people with Vegas and hear what Vegas have to say. One team, one dream, one scheme. I'm out.
Because what if you go say this now, a Shawn Storm seat and the Panala Kana? Or they run like a house star, the man they are some pussy. Man do 13 years of prison through man hold it. And the girl now all record him and send back that no one Kartel here. You know, say, a more animosity a bill right there, brother. And you don't like that, bro? You don't like, you know, say, two man them a go at it, brother? Come like you don't like that, bro. Because you were going to so no live on a life chaotic, you know. On a life of always chaotic, brethren. Always have to inner some form of chaos, brethren. I want to draw people in a chaotic world too. You see what I say? Man, them forward out of prison and you see man them a live good, brother. The man even buy, if the man didn't buy the man a bicycle, brother. You know the man go and ride him bicycle, bro. You're going like you a ride it, dog. You're going like you a ride the bicycle, brother. If the man didn't buy the man a bicycle, bro. That a feed the man a cartel business, brother. You see what I say? Sometimes too, you know, a man have a plan for a man or a woman, you know. And them start them